Hi, I'm Christian with the TGR Learning Lab in Anaheim, California, and this is STEM Unplugged, a video series where we give you the tools to step away from the screen and get hands-on with STEM. Today, I'm going to introduce you to some bioengineering. We'll talk about how medicine is delivered into your body and how pill casings can make a difference. So, we're going to get started with a little bit of biology. When you take medicine, it has to pass through your digestive system before it can take effect. Most medicines need to survive the harsh conditions of the stomach in order to make it where it needs to go. If a pill dissolves too soon, it can cause stomach aches or not work at all. It needs to survive these conditions long enough to deliver the medicine effectively. You can see how this works if you test different kinds of pills in some vinegar. Using vinegar can simulate the acidic conditions of the stomach. We're going to use a similar experiment to test some of our own pill casings. Before we start our experiment, we're going to gather our supplies. I'm going to use some bowls, cornstarch, flour, vinegar, vegetable oil, sugar, some colored candy, some spoons, and something to keep time with. For our experiment, we're going to test different mixtures to protect our pill and to see how they react to acidic conditions. We're only using digestible materials to create a coating to go around the pill, and we're going to test different combinations of these materials to see which will work best to protect it. As we experiment, make sure to keep track of your combinations that you use. I'm going to be keeping a simple table to keep track of my data. Our pill is going to be represented by some candy. Once you've made a few different mixtures, go ahead and coat the candy with them so that they're completely covered. Make sure they keep track of your pills so you know which combination was used. And now we're ready to test. To test our pills, I have separate bowls of vinegar that simulate the acidic conditions of a stomach. Drop your pills into the vinegar and start a timer. I'm going to test one piece of candy without a coating as a control for the experiment. Make sure to take observations on what happens to the pills at different points every 60 seconds and record any changes. As you may have noticed, there's a lot that goes into developing pill coatings. Depending on the goal of the medicine, chemical and bioengineers have to conduct experiments like this in order to get it right. With this experiment, you get a piece of the observations and tests that need to be done in the real world. Thanks for joining me in today's STEM Unplugged video. I hope you enjoyed working as a bioengineer and understand a little bit more about the experiments they do. Be sure to like and share this video, and more videos like this will be coming out soon. Until then, I'll see you next time.